Finding the courage to change, worthy of trust. Years ago, I heard an interview with an author who wrote about talking to angels. He described some amazing personal experiences with receiving clear messages from angels. This seemed to be crazy talk to me. And then he seemed to speak directly to my skepticism. He talked about how reliable his parking angel was. He was always able to find parking in every situation. He said this was a simple and easy way to develop faith in the power of the angels to answer our prayers. So the next time I headed out, I said a little prayer. Please help me find a good parking space. I headed downtown and forgot about it. When I arrived, I found the most amazing parking space. Wow. Another time I was stuck behind a very slow and obviously elderly driver. I was running late and feeling so impatient. I took a deep breath and thought, please help this driver arrive at his destination safely and on time. Please help me arrive safely and on time. The other driver immediately pulled over. Today, I know that my higher power is worthy of trust. By countless experiments, large and small, I've built my faith. I know that things are always working out for me. I know that every problem carries a gift in its hands. Even when I'm hurting and in pain, I can relax. I know that there's a good reason for the experience. I look for the blessing. I know that everything's going to be okay. The parade of good is always there. My higher power is worthy of trust.